a great choice today with the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, keyless start, universal garage door opener, climate control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.